Hi people, how are you all doing? I'm back again with delicious party egusi soup, the most delicious. Guys, if you haven't tried this recipe, give it a try. A trial will convince you. In fact, I just decided to create something different from my normal cooking, This is my first time of preparing egusi soup like this, okay? And I prepared it with fresh ugu leaves. Guys, I'm surprised I got fresh leaves. Germany precisely. Honestly, this is the first time I'm eating fresh ugu leaves. As in, it's unbelievable. And to cram it all, this soup is one of the delicious party egusi soup I have ever cooked here in Deutschland. Because we content creators, we like to try new things. Like when you are used to cooking, you will understand what I'm saying. You would like to try some new things, like give it swag, give the soup giving, make it look different. Anyhow you like, take them like that. Yes, so that is English for you. So my lovelies, don't mind me. This soup is simple and delicious. You are good to go. Your family will love it. Your friends will love it. Anybody will love it. Just try it and come and thank me at the comment section down below. You don't need to break a bank. Just go ahead and avoid your proteins. You can use goat meat. You can use chicken. You can use turkey meat. You can use cow meat. Any meat of your choice. As you can see, for me, in this recipe, I use some cow meat and cow tail. All you need to do is just pre-boil your meat. Cook your meat with your salt, Maggi seasoning, season with your seasonings of your choice, onions, and after then go ahead and fry your egusi. That is melon seed, blended one. But first, before I fried the egusi, I blended fresh tomatoes with paprika and onions, some okpei on it additional, just to give it a good taste. Like okpei is local spice, okay? But it's optional for those of you who don't like it. After then, just as you are seeing on the screen, go ahead and pour it in the pot where you are cooking your egusi, where you are cooking your party egusi soup, and let it to boil. After that, then go ahead and add your mackerel fish. Why I added mackerel fish after is because I don't want it to scatter. In fact, I fried this one. I did not grate it. I fried it, okay? Then go ahead and add your vegetables, any vegetables of your choice, any green leaves of your choice. Just add it inside, let it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. If you want it soft, now you sabi. But for me, I don't like my veggies to be so cooked, as in very cooked, all right? Because I need that vitamin, I need to have that vitamin when I'm eating it, to feel it. And you don't finish, your soup is ready to enjoy. You are good to go. So tell me at the comment section, are you going to try this recipe? Will you love to try it? A trial will convince you. Thank you so much for watching. If you watch this video to this extent, I heart you, and you know what to do. If you are new to my channel, click that subscribe button that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And to my OG, I love you all. See you guys in my next upcoming video. Feel free to enjoy the soup with any swallow of your choice and balance well to calm your brain down, and all the hairs in your body will stand up and sleep. Guys, bye for now. And don't mind me. Ciao.